Okay, you need a piece of A4 and glue. So today we're making that Bowman, the foam, right? The tube. So it look like that. Hey, how do you make it? First, you go from here and you make a gluing mark. So here is like you glue this part, okay? So what you want to do is fold and then go up here, and this you want to fold it so that it perfectly align, okay? Perfectly align. And then you fold one more time up. So I'll do that off camera. Okay, I folded it and I'm going to crease it like that. Okay, now we're going to do one more time like this. Make sure it's aligned perfectly. Okay, so perfect. Crease. Okay, now you want to glue here so that you can actually put this over and glue it in half. Okay, so you want to put glue over. You can take some kind of waste paper, recycle paper, and then go like this. Okay, and then you glue this. Okay, I just glued it. Now what you want to do is go like that, and then fold along here, right, to make that crease, and also the other side. Okay, so fold it. Looks like that. Now you can go like this. Make sure it's creased up. What you want to do now is a lot of folding. So on one end you go like this, and then when you're done you go like this. So triangle plus triangle. You want to make sure it's really sharp. It's a good idea to crease it very nicely, right? And then you go up here. Okay, always trying to crease it. Okay, so you're done this side. Do the other side. Okay, crease. And then up here you go and crease. Okay, now we're done folding this side. Whew. Flip it over and repeat the same process. Okay, crease. And then fold up and crease. Okay, open. Do the other side. Okay, crease. Go up and crease. Okay, finally we're done with all the creasing. Pop it up. Okay, and you want to kind of fold it this way and fold it the other way to increase that crease, right? And then pop open. Okay, there we go. Now you want to make it back into that cylinder looking form, right? And give the edge a nice crease. Okay, now here comes the hard stuff. Okay, you want to push in like this. Okay, pick one side and then the other side do the same. So it looks like that. Come up. Okay, so crease. The nicer your crease is, the easier it is to get it work. Okay, so look like a little chair right now, right? Look like that. Okay, so you press this side. You see there's a line, right? You want to like crease it in. That helps. Okay. Okay, so you have this inside like that. Okay, so you see here, hold this two and then shove this in. Okay. Hold this two and then you want to like shove it in. Okay, that's the easy way, which will require a little bit of glue right here, and you can glue it together. but I'm going to show you a more advanced way that will not need the glue. Okay, remember this. You want to go in like that. Now, you see this one? This is the corner you want to push. Okay, push this one in. And then, okay, look. Very tricky, right? Hold on to this. Okay, this flap. Hold on to it. And then push this corner, this line. I want to push it all the way in. Okay, and now you don't need glue. You see how that works? Okay, now after this, you're gonna put your letter. So to put the letter, right? This is the top. This is the bottom for me. So I go like that, kind of like this, and you want to go from here. But don't fold it. So now you see it looks like a Tai Chi. Doesn't it look like a Tai Chi? Right? And now you can put it in here. Okay. So with this, you can fit more letters if you need to. And it can just stand up like that. You light it up and... So if you have mastered how to make this, okay, the advanced version is to make 2. Okay, you tube it in one side with the 2 end, and then you slowly work on the other way, and you can now tube everything in. Okay, now the top and the bottom of the letter is actually touching the 2 bases. Okay, and now you can use this as like the envelope, okay, and you can just toss the whole thing, burn, right? There we go. This is the protection of your letter.